alright. Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, dude.
What's going on?
What's up, brother?
What's going on, bro?
What's up, dude?
What's up, what's up? What's going on, man? I'm so excited, dude. Good to see everybody. What's up, man? What's going on?
Oh, man, it's so dark.
Zico,
Hey,
what's going on, bro? Huh?
Just kidding.
No, no. My hair's growing out. Holy moly.
So you, Chris?
What's up, brother?
How are you, man?
Good,
See you
good.
again, brother.
What's up, hey.
How you doing, man?
Made it, man. What's going on?
Just, I'm just gonna run through the rules. So first, 2 biggest fish, or total length of fish that you will catch, will be the winner. Okay, and for striped bass, only release, catch and release. But for perch, you can keep it. It's optional. So the way we're gonna do it to get it qualified for an entry is just film it, take a video of the fish that you caught.
So no measurements under 18 for striper?
Under 18 striper, no. That would not be a qualified fish.
It's a NorCal thing?
Yeah.
Dang! So red tail
has to be 10 and a half.
10 and a half to qualify.
Yeah. Okay. So, and the rest are only legal fish can qualify. And what else? We have to be back here by 12, and then so that we can all verify the fish that we all be the judges. So, and verify the fish and declare the winner. Okay, 6 a.m. Right here, meet up, and 7 a.m. the tournament will start. We got like 10 minutes, and 12 we'll be back here. The tournament's end, and 12:30 we eat. And I put here accuracy contest, but I didn't have an awarding ceremony. Probably we'll do the awarding at 1 o'clock. And do you guys bring food?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I didn't bring food. I got coffee. And what else? Again, the purpose of this tournament is for us to have fun. That's the main purpose, and for us to get to know each other. So that when we see each other, I don't know, probably we go to Central Coast, we can say hi, we can hit up each other and then fish together, right? We're ready, guys. I'm gonna kick that butt. Huh? Oh, sorry.
What's up, June?
How's it going, bro?
Yeah, I just want to say what's up again.
Let's go.
We're ready, bro.
Your stuff in the car.
What's up, dude? What's going on, man?
You want to put some of your stuff in?
What's up, Ray? How's it going?
So far, dude. Long time no see.
What's up, Daryl? Long time no see, man.
Hi, bro. Let's see. Huh?
Hey, I love your videos, bro.
Oh, man. Far left? Far left?
Yeah.
They don't fit this way.
Oh, yeah. See what's over there?
We're on the beach, dude. We're walking to prison.
Can you walk through? Oh, woo-wee! Let's go. Let's go have some fun. We're gonna catch us some fish today. Just need 2.
You ready, Chris?
Just need 2 fish.
Ready to do this?
2 fish. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Gonna throw a few casts out here. Let's see if we can hook up on some fish. We're gonna keep walking down.
This one, is that striped bass? You guys win? Yeah. Good one.
Huh? What you doing, man?
Get out of here. Going down.
No bites yet? Ah. Still early? Yeah, I'm just gonna walk. You walk and work my way down. You know, around the hour.
Forever and then you're off. Right now.
I think I'm in a pretty good hole. Let's go fish. Ooh. Oh man, somebody just texted in the group already? Let's see here. No way! Wade! Wade caught a fish already! Dude! He's on a striper! Alright, alright. I get to work now. We just started! I think it's like 30 minutes in. Alright. We're actually an hour in. Alright, we gotta catch up. Somebody's on the board already. Freaking way. Oh shoot. Let's go. I'm gonna go run. Looks like Edward hooked up. All right. Looks like Edward is hooked up on a fish.
Is it a ray?
Yeah, it is a ray.
Edward with a cat?
Edward hooked up again? Let's see what this guy got.
I don't want to catch a ray, bro.
Oh, you got another ray? Oh man. Edward just hooked up on a fat ass ray. Let's see if we can bring him in. Oh, he's right there. I know, that's crazy. Damn!
Holy shit!
That thing is a monster, dude.
Oh, that's a big girl. Yeah! Oh my god! One more, Danny. That is a big girl! Thank you.
That was freaking crazy, man. Well, maybe I can still save it. Oh my god. My rod tip just came loose. What the f? was that? That was crazy. That was freaking crazy. Alright, we're back in business. I thought I was gonna be out already. We just started. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna stop messing around. It's time to fish. Let's go. Let's go. I just got bit. No, my battery's dying. I just had to change my memory card out. Ah, hold on. It's pulling hella drag. Alright, I'll be right back. Crap. All right, baby, we are on. Ow! That race everywhere. Ah! Yeah, he's running for a while, and my memory card was full. I changed it. My battery died. I changed it, and he's still on. Oh wow, that's a big ray.
Look at snagged.
Oh, it's snagged.
This deserves. Hey, give us a synopsis. What's going on here? This is Battery City, bro. Everybody's catching batteries but me. Oh my god.
Alright, PC Rudy.
Alright, we good.
Alright.
Smile. Right there. That's yours, Chris. There you go, Chris.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, cool.
Solid. Dang, that's beautiful, bro. Look at that smile.
Alright.
Nice.
Alright. Super slimy. Alright, we're working our way back. We got about 20 more minutes till the battle ends. And we're gonna see who's crowned the winner. Unfortunately, I haven't caught any fish yet, just that big ass ray.
Lucky
Oh my god.
How did you catch it? So, we're gonna award the third place to Wayne Campbell.
His YouTube channel is West Coast Fishing and More, and he won a 7.5-footer.
Nice.
Is that the Lunkers TV bass rod?
Yeah, Lunkers TV bass rod.
You're an official Googan.
Here you go. Squad. There you go.
You're going to Texas next week.
Nice. Thanks to Favorite USA, Ted Curley, for giving this rod. And here you go, Wayne. Third place.
Sir.
Let's give it a hand to Wayne. Alright, this is what I'm aiming for, actually. I want it to be second place because I want the rod. That's what I want to do. That's what I want.
The ODM.
I don't put that in those screens.
Martin's licking his lips, man.
Alright, here we go. Second place. Name, sir?
Martin.
Martin.
Fishing with Mancera is my YouTube channel.
Fishing with Mancera. He caught 39.5 inches.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Oh, man.
We got ODM rod right here, DNA.
Nice.
Thanks to Steve Young
Nice.
of ODM rod. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Here we go. Let's see it. Let's see. You want to see it?
Oh, it's a bumble rod.
I know. Look at that, brand new.
The bottom half.
It's a 4 foot. 4 foot.
Look at that. Baller.
We'll get you the extra half
ODM rod.
Alright, so tell us what happened there, sir.
Well, at first right in the beginning in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
I missed a couple bites and hooked up on what to be possible bat ray, or probably most likely a bat ray. And then after that, I went like a full hour and a half without catching nothing. And then I was just giving it a slow retrieve with the Lucky Craft Zebra Crash Shad. It has a little dental floss bugtail idea from.
Damn, I gotta shave my.
Oh, bye.
I was able to bring it in.
Hey, you caught it in a bucktail?
It was a dental floss bugtail. Yeah, from they all bite, and yeah, it hit really close, about 10-15 yards ish, and it put up a fight in a little bit in the beginning, but pretty much gave up, and I was able to bring it in 28 inches.
Watch the video in the link in the description.
Nice.
Congratulations, bro. Thank you.
And let's go to the first place. Woo! There you go. Here's the case.
Keeping the real.
There we go. Anyways, first place, 40 inches.
No limitations.
Bandsaw. Thanks to Breaker Telmo. You're awesome, man. Right here. First place. Yeah.
Nice.
Hold it up, baby. YouTube channel. What's the YouTube channel again?
Got 'em fishing.
Got him fishing. Got it. All right, congratulations.
Might be empty, huh?
Rocks.
Dude.
Oh.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
you got a handle.
Oh, it's broken?
There you go.
There it is. It's a $500 ring. But anyways, I got some stuff here too. Who caught a fish too? We get nothing. Next placer. Next placer. What side?
Who got a bite? Who got a nibble?
I got 22. Total. 3 fish.
22 fish, 2 birds, 10 and 12. 22.
22.
22 here,
30-pound bat rate. 24.
18 and a half.
18 and a half.
22.1.
I got a t-shirt here from Favorite USA. Yeah, large size. I got one more here too. You're 18, you said?
Yep, 18 and a half.
Oh, he's 18, guys. 18.
That's it, guys.
Barely.
Whoa. That's it. That's all the pricing. I got some stickers here. If you guys want from ODM stickers and some stickers. I don't know if you guys want some. Just take one here. So yeah, it's a lot there. So guys, thanks for coming, and don't forget to put our sponsors on your box descriptions. Yes?
Yes, sir.
And we will do this again next year. It's it's going to be bigger next year. It's going to be bigger. It's going to be bigger, man.
What's the location next year?
Yeah.
NorCal, right?
More prizes next year, and I will guarantee you guys bigger than that.
Next year's location, Daly City. Daly City.
Daly City. I like this spot. Who likes this?
It's cool.
Right?
I like this one.
You look down the street.
Well, let's do it again. That's cool over here.
Got another spot.
Oh, this guy too. He goes, right? Surgeon fishing, Stilo. Yep. Dude, this guy catch big. Wow. That's awesome, dude.
Cool.
Gift card? Oh, the gift card too. The Janish tackle gift card. It hasn't arrived yet. Josh. No, it's coming. I'll give it to you. So make sure you post. Everybody.
Traumatizing. GoPro, turn it off. Man. Oh man.
We don't have no
Get that banner. How do we win that banner, June?
Yep. Thank you guys. Thank you. We'll do it again next year.
Thank you for organizing.
Yep.
My bad. Car.
Game on.
Hold on.
That's the way you all miss.
I know. Oh, missed it. You guys missed the best part of the trip, dude. With the whistler. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, aim for the camera.